Hi, hello everyone. My name is Enalyn Zaide and I am going to describe the development of the gonads, the genital tract, the external genitalia, and the secondary traits. So first, let's proceed to the development of the gonads. The development of the gonads is a part of prenatal development of the reproductive system and ultimately form the testes in males and the ovaries in females. The gonads initially develop from the mesothelial layer of the peritoneum. During 5th week, gonadal development occurs. Until 7th week, gonads are similar in both sexes. Gonads are derived from three sources: mesothelium, mesodermal epithelium lining the coalomic cavity, 2 underlying mesenchyme, 3 primordial germ cells. So next, let's proceed to the development of the genital tract. The development of the genital tract. The female genital tract is divided into the external genitalia and the internal genitalia. The external genitalia or vulva consist of the outlying structures: mons pubis, labia minora, sclerotis, vestibule, hymen Bartholin's glands, external urethra meatus, and skin gland. The internal genital tract, including the female reproductive system, consists of the vagina, the uterus, the 2 fallopian tubes, and the 2 ovaries. So next is the external genitalia. So how external genitalia develop? The development of external genitalia begins in the 3rd week. Mesenchymal cells from the primitive streak migrate to the cloacal membrane to form a pair of cloacal folds. Cranially, these folds fuse to form the genital tubercle. Caudally, they divide into the urethral folds, anterior, and anal folds, the posterior. Genital swellings develop either side of the urethral folds. So last but not the least, let's proceed to the development of the secondary traits. Sexual development in girls involves the enlargement of the ovaries, uterus, vagina, labia, and breasts, and growth of pubic hair. A discrete budding of the breast appears at first and usually follows a short-lived prepubertal slowing in growth kinetics. Between 11 and 14.5 years of age, the typical adolescent growth spurt takes place and acne is frequent. Sexual development traits in boys. Growth kinetics are enhanced from the early puberty. However, maximal velocity is attained only around 14 to 15 years of age. Progressively, the testis increases in size, mainly at the expense of the seminiferous tubules. The interstitial or the Leydig cells develop the ensure synthesis and secretion of testosterone. A testicular volume of 4 ml or a longitudinal diameter greater than or equal to 2.5 cm and a slight progressive increase in scrotal folds and pigmentation constitute the first signs of puberty. So that's all. I hope you learned something from my reporting, and thank you for listening, guys.